To send a gift message on Instagram. Start by opening the Instagram app and tapping the message icon in the top right corner. Select the person you want to message. Then begin composing your text. As you type, you'll notice a search icon to the left of the text box. Tap on it. At the top of the search options, you'll see the gift option. You may need to swipe from right to left to locate it. Once selected, the message will be sent as a gift. When the recipient receives it, they'll see it as a gift box they can tap to reveal the message.